Math 76, lesson 106, area of complex shapes. So we've already learned perimeter of complex shapes, things that look like this, that are kind of funny looking, and then we've got some missing parts. And remember, the perimeter was finding the distance it takes to go around it. Now we're going to be doing the same thing, but we're going to be finding area. Now, the funny thing is, we don't have, excuse me, I'm getting tongue-tied. The funny thing is, we don't have any formulas to find the area of what's-he-who's it? I don't know what the shape is. But we do know formulas to find areas of rectangles. And we can take the shape and chop it into rectangles. See, the same shape, what they did was they chopped it into two rectangles. Once they chopped it into two rectangles, they realized they needed to find the length of this side. So they chopped it into two rectangles. They did, hey, 2 times 3 would give me the area of this rectangle. And then 4 times 8 would give me, 4 times 7 would give me the area of this rectangle. They found the two different areas. And the last thing they're going to do is they take those two areas that they found, add them together, and get the final area. Now let's do an example together. So first step is I need to chop this into two shapes that I do know, right? And I know rectangles, so let's chop this into two rectangles. So I'll cut it right there. Now, for this rectangle, I've got a length of 4 centimeters, width of 10, or a base of 10, the height of 4. For this one, I've got a length of 4, and then this line is not 10 anymore. So I need to find the length of this side. The way I find the length of this side is I take long side minus opposite short side, so 10 minus 6, or so 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4, and I end up with 6 centimeters. So that's the length of this side. So I can do 4 times 6 to get 24 centimeters squared, 4 times 10 to give me 40 centimeters squared, and then to find the area of the whole shape, I take these two numbers and add them together. Right? So once I've found those areas, we'll do 24 plus 40. Let's make sure the camera can see this. That's 64 centimeters squared, and that is the area of the entire shape. All right, so that's how that works. If you got it, great. If not, I've got one more example that I'll do for you. So again, I've got this shape, and I got to figure out the area. So let's just cut it into two shapes I know, and it really doesn't matter which way I cut it. I could cut it this way, or I could cut it this way. It's really preference on what you would rather do. So I'll go ahead. I'll cut it like this. Yeah. Okay. And then for this one, I've got both sides. I'll just 8 times 2, that gives me 16 inches squared. And then, oh hey, for this one I've got both sides too. Great, I didn't have to find either one of these. Oh wait, no, I do have to find these parts. That's not, no, I need to find this line. So I have to do 7 minus 2 to get 5 inches. Okay, I thought it was going to be easy. So now I do 5 times 5, I get 25 inches squared, 16 plus 25. Let's see here, 16 plus 25, that's 41 inches squared. And that is the total area of this shape. That's it for this lesson. If you have any questions, let me know on the school website, and I'll see you in class.